Hey guys, welcome back to Daisy Crochet, or welcome if you're new. I didn't tell Fiona I was gonna film, so clearly she's not paying attention. But today we're going yarn shopping, so I just wanted to talk to you guys for a minute and get excited because we're gonna get so much good stuff. Although, bad news guys, I did forget my Michael's gift card, which has $50 on it. So I'm gonna have to go to Michael's again. But who can be mad about that? So we're on our way. We have a ways to go because we live in a small little town with no Michaels. So we gotta go get to the Michaels and we can't wait. This is the Karen cakes. This is on my list. Karen macchiato cake, boundless. We'll see if I get it because I forgot my gift card. This one's also on my list. Cinnamon swirl, heat wave. I definitely did not know they had Feels Like Bliss in Canada. That's amazing. It's very expensive, but oh my god, I love this one. So cute. Okay, I need to look at my list, so I'm gonna put some stuff in my cart and I'll show you. Guys, look at this sprinkle yarn. Oh my god! I'm so obsessed with it. It looks like birthday cake. I really like the pink one, obviously. So good. I need Weasley sweater yarn. So like the tweed yarn. You know what that is, Shay? Yes. Okay. And I need things for my pants, my granny square pants. So hopefully we can find some good deals because yarn's expensive. This is some Karen cake heaven. Should I get Karen cakes for my pants? That one could work. It wouldn't stripe. That's what we've decided. Whoops. Too bad. I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm really overwhelmed. So apparently it's buy two get one free, guys. That's like really amazing. The Bernat giant like balls of acrylic are really calling my name right now. I'm gonna try and find the tweed yarn first because then I'll like be able to check it off my list. And if they don't have it, then I'll be able to know I can spend more. Ooh, I found a cool blend. Look at this. Tell me this is not perfect for me. I'm gonna put it in my cart, but I don't know about that, guys, because there's only one ball. This is the only thing I can find that's even close to what I want, and it's such a small ball. Perhaps it doesn't exist. This is so cool. Cart secured. Haul coming soon. Hey guys, so we're now back at home / in a different place, but we're very excited to give you guys a little haul of all the yarn that we got. We weren't really planning on filming this today, to be honest with you guys, but we're too eager to break into all of our new yarn and actually use it, so we wanted to show you now. And also, we haven't given each other a yarn haul yet, so I'm really excited to see what Shay bought. For this specific yarn shopping trip, I did have a list. I did not bring the list, but I knew like a lot of things I wanted. However, we diverged from that a little bit, which you're gonna see, but I still got some stuff to make some pretty cool projects, and I also got some yarn from home. If we were including all of that yarn that we took from our house, from our basement, this would be the biggest yarn haul of all time. Yeah, but we're not including that because we didn't buy it like right now. Also, I thought I should note that I am including some yarn I bought at Walmart, but then the rest of the yarn is gonna be from Michael's, like what you guys just saw us shopping for. But earlier in the week, we were at Walmart with one of our friends and I couldn't resist, essentially. I got two pretty standard things at Walmart in our little hometown, and one of them is this Bernat Premium acrylic white, and I don't really like the shade of this white now that I'm thinking about it. It's very in your face, but there is literally so many things that I needed white for, and I don't have any shades of white in acrylic right now, so I got it for maybe a Hello Kitty hat, maybe spiderweb, something, and maybe Jack Skellington the tapestry. So there's that. And then I also found this on a whim, and it is this Comfort Cozy Chenille Supreme Mainstays, I think that's the Walmart brand of yarn, and it's this very, very pastel pink, and I'm gonna use it to make a Draculaura doll from Monster High, because we were actually looking for through our own collection for this color, and there was nothing like it. I've never seen anything like it, so it's perfect. So perfect for her. I think I'm gonna show you guys like a couple at a time because Fiona has less than I do, so it'll just work out better like that. But I'm gonna start with the browns, and pretty much all I got, guys, was loops and threads acrylic. Just so you guys know, I know acrylic is very controversial, but I love it and it's cheap.
Yeah, it makes a lot of different things.
So yeah, I am gonna start it with 2 browns. So
I'm so jealous.
So this is the first brown that I got. It's looking very dark on camera, but it isn't super duper dark. This is just like a weight 4. They're all gonna be weight 4s. And this color, I can never find colors. This color is dark chocolate. And I don't think I've had this one before, but I love the color. And just a few little projects I will probably use in this color is I'm gonna include it in my striped shorts, my granny square pants. I might do the tie cardigan in this, or I might do it in the other one I'm about to show you. And literally just so many things I'm gonna use this dark brown for.
She loves brown.
Very much excited to have this. And then the second color of brown that I got is this one, and this one is one I was actually restocking because I already have this color, but I was just running out. This is the color dark taupe, and I really love to use this brown because it's more muted. It's perfect. This I'm using for similar projects because they need, a lot of them use dark and light green as well as dark and light brown, so I have that. But this is just the next color, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it.
Love it. Okay, guys, we're kind of dealing with Jude right now, our cat. She's right here. So if you see her tail or anything, don't be alarmed.
Yeah, she absolutely loves yarn, but she loves to eat it, so we don't love that. But anyways, the next color I kind of hinted at that I bought is this green, and it is like the dark green that I was talking about. It's not even that dark, but it is perfect for what I want to use it for, which is like those dark and light green striped and like patterned things. And I'm gonna use it with like the dark and light brown I bought also.
It's very pretty.
Yeah, this is the color leaf green, and the reason I didn't get a light green to go along with it is because I already have a pretty big ball left of this exact brand, but it's like the sage green color, so yeah.
Okay, the next thing I bought was not in my list whatsoever, because I had to make some sacrifices due to price. Anyway, so I found this yarn while exploring the carrot cakes, and I felt it and then I was sold because it's so soft, but also the color, just look at the color, like it's literally the same as my sweater. I love anything that's like black, gray, and it has like sparkles in it. I don't know if you can see them, but it's so soft, and there's a lot of yarn in the carrot cakes, so hopefully I am able to make like a cute off-the-shoulder sweater or something with this. And it's also, did you just find a shade? Shadow.
Yeah, and I was wondering why this is so soft. It's a acrylic and polyester blend, so that's interesting.
So yeah, off-the-shoulder sweater of some sort, or TBD on this one, but I really could not buy it because it's so perfect for me.
All right, next I have 2 shades of white. Yes, I need 2 shades of white. So this one is the like pure white, as I call it. It's literally just called white, and it's again the same loops and threads acrylic yarn, soft classic. This one, I know Fiona said she didn't really like this color, like what she got from Bernat, but I like it for specific things where like an off-white doesn't work as well. So I'm going to be using this for a green and white granny square cardigan, and also maybe that belt bag that I've been talking about so much. So I wanted to get this just to have as an option for those things. And then this next one I need for a lot of things, and I actually got this one kind of like the taupe brown color as a repurchase because I already have some of this, but I was running very low on it. So this one is in the color off-white, and it's literally just off-white. I love it. I use this for so many projects. Like, I've used it a million times in the past, and I'm so excited that I got more. I'm going to be using this for a lot of projects. I can't even hardly think of them off the top of my head, but I will tell you guys about one that kind of makes more sense once I show you the other balls, so stay tuned for those.
Okay, the main thing I wanted to get at Michael's was something to make my Weasley sweater. I'm gonna do one with an F on it for Fiona, and I actually already have the gray for the F part, but I needed some green, and I really have been talking about on here the tweed yarn because I feel like it'll make it look more like homey and like Molly Weasley made it. But anyway, I could not find tweed yarn for the life of me in that store, and you probably saw that, but I ended up finding this, and it's by Loops and Threads.
It's literally called tweed.
It is called tweed, but it's a little bit of a different texture.
Yeah.
Do you know what this is made out of?
You can find it.
Wool, polyester, and acrylic.
And it's
I
weight
thought
3.
there was wool in it. And anyway, my mom helped me find this, and then I wanted something to mix with it, and I found this. See, I wanted a little bit more of a Slytherin green, but that's just my personal preference. I think that these two are gonna look really good together. The other option was that Loops and Threads acrylic that Shay had, and that one wouldn't have matched as well with this, I don't think. So hopefully this is enough to at least get me started on like one of the panels, but I'm not confident it's gonna be enough for the whole sweater, unfortunately. We're gonna have to go on another Michael's trip, but this is like what I'm most excited about in the haul, I would say. This is in the color Basil, which makes me very happy.
And these ones are called Rocky Mountains, and this is Lion Brand Heartland yarn. It's 100% acrylic, but it's a weight 4, so she'll be mixing weight 3 and weight 4.
Interesting idea, but I don't really know what the weights mean anyway, so it's fine. And also, that's the end of my haul in total. I also have the price. I think it was $55 with tax. So there you go. There was a sale though, as you saw in the clips before.
All right, I have the last of my acrylics here. Actually, I don't know if the other ones are acrylics. I'm going to show you, but these are the last Loops and Threads, and they are some of my favorites and the ones I'm most excited about. So let's start with this one. I think this color is called Copper. Let me double check. Nope, it's called Ginger. Good thing I checked. Yeah, it's just the 100% acrylic again, and I've been looking for like a nice thin is what I call it, but like a weight 4 orange, and this is like a burnt orange, exactly what I was looking for. I am making definitely 2 tops with this color, but I might end up doing some other things as well. I'm thinking like a bandana headband or something, but I have this orange and white top with like some granny squares on it, and then I also have this top, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. It's literally like my favorite thing on my Dream Crochet Wardrobe Pinterest board. I don't know why I said it like that. I'm just very enthusiastic about my Dream Crochet Wardrobe, but I got this yarn for it as well because this is like a really nice light blue. I was so glad that I found this blue. It's called Ice Blue, by the way, rather than like a brighter pastel blue, because I just love how like it's muted but still colorful. But still, like, yeah, colorful. So the reason that I said I was going to show you what I was making with the off-white after was because these are the 3 colors I'm going to be using for this top. In the picture, it's more of a beigey, I don't know the word for it, color for the white, but I decided to just get the off-white since I needed it anyway, rather than get a whole other skein, because I think that this combination still looks really cute. So I cannot wait to make this. Okay, we're on to my last 2 skeins, did the same thing though. And it was very important for me to get this buy 2 get 1 free deal as much as possible because hello. So I ended up getting a total of 9 skeins. So 7 of the Loops and Threads acrylic and then 2 of these. And these are the Karen macchiato cakes.
Those are so good for you.
This was on my list, like all of these things were, because I actually stuck to my list. And I was so happy that I found them. They were pretty hefty price tag on them.
How much?
$14.99 each.
Mine too.
But this is in the shade Boundless, and I absolutely love it. I found these online when I was like kind of planning my cart, and I knew I needed to get them. I also was in between getting these and then Karen Cinnamon Swirl Cakes in, I don't remember the color, but it was like an orangey, pinky blend. And it was super cute, but I went with these ones because I thought they were more unique. And I am gonna do a sweater with these. I don't even have an exact sweater, but I have so many sweaters saved that I'm just gonna find one that I think will work good with this type of yarn and make it. I'm so excited about this color. It's absolutely perfect.
It does.
And this is the bulkiest yarn that I think we got.
And this one.
That's a weight 4.
I don't know.
This is a weight 5.
Okay.
And my total of all 9 skeins of yarn, with I guess 3 of them free, which is amazing, was $57 on the dot.
What?
I did also buy a giant bag, but $57, so that was pretty great. I was very happy with that
Really
price.
Close to my price tag.
Yeah, and now I did forget my gift card, but I can just buy $50 more worth of yarn with it, so I'm very excited.
Okay, guys, that was the yarn haul of everything we got at Michael's and Walmart, if you're me. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and it was so fun to film us shopping. We love doing stuff like that. We've been doing it forever, so hopefully you guys will come shopping with us again soon, and we'll have another really fun yarn haul, and you can see us make some of the projects that we just talked about.
Don't forget to like this video if you liked it and subscribe to see more videos like this one. We literally loved making this video and we can't wait to do more. So yeah, but thanks so much for watching once again, and we'll see you next time.
And thanks for almost 9,000 subscribers.
That we'll have 9,000 by the time this is posted to be online. Thank you. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.